Hi, I'm Alex Daly for Daily Driver. The BMW E36 is known for many things: unparalleled driving dynamics, an ingenious straight-six motor, and by now, more than 20 years on, interior plastics crumbling at a rate quicker than American dominance on the geopolitical scene. At least it's not bad wiring looms, right, 90s Mercedes? I've recently done a good video on A-pillar repairs. My door cards are falling off, and my rear speakers add distortion like a fuzz pedal. But today we're here to talk about chronic glovebox sag. Yes, call your doctor if you are affected by chronic glovebox sag. This is a problem affecting most E36s, and from my research isn't anything new. It started happening already on these cars around the time this one was sold off its first lease. It appears to happen from a perfect storm of poor initial design, delamination of panels, and a million incorrect internet fixes making it worse. The procedure to replace the air filter isn't simple, and things can get mucked up then. Surprisingly, if you have a black interior, part of the assembly is still available from ECS Tuning. So too are speaker grills and A-pillars, and even door cards in several colors if you have $700 a piece. I have a tan or biscuit or saddle, which doesn't seem to be super duper common in M3s, but this is a 328. I found what looks like a good salvage tan glovebox assembly locally. I'll inspect, clean, get the correct hardware, and fix broken tabs, and I think that'll get us there. Come watch. There's three screw types: cap head A, small washer B, and large washer C. And these are their respective locations. Remember these tabs, they're troublemakers. These hooks on the back of the top piece that came out first are our main source of the problem. These ones are pretty much destroyed. They get smushed up against the receptacle on the other part of the box. The ones on my salvage look a lot better. This one's a little bendy though, so I'll shore it up. Looks much better than what came out though. Now strengthened, what immensely helped during installation was taking a little off the top of these tabs and leaving them rounded. Now, if you're like me, you probably want to use your ignition key for your glove box still. To get a tumbler out of a glove box, it has to be between locked and unlocked, and I did not have the salvage key. So literally my only option I found was to pick it, which actually wasn't that hard. Just a tiny screwdriver, figure out how the tumblers work, and by the end there I could just reliably, only a couple minutes to get it to turn. It sounds painful, and it was. I hammered a bunch of wooden toothpicks around the plastic lock quadrants, and then the tumbler popped right out. The control dials can also break. This one's broken. The one on my new ones look fine. This might be specific to my BMW, but this was a dangly BMW dealer added alarm module right in the glove box area. Some really badass Velcro will have it out of the way and secure.